Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, when a servant says Subhanallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells the angels, "Oh my angels, write for my servant an abundance of my mercy." And when my servant says Allahu Akbar, I tell my angels, write for my servant an abundance of my mercy. Amazing, right? Now listen to this last one. And when my servant says La ilaha illallah, Allah tells the angels, "Oh my angels, write for my servant an abundance of my love." Imagine something so simple, and your Lord tells His angels to write for you an abundance of His love.